Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be recreating Rihanna's it's called a chill out edition Fenty Beauty holiday look. I really do hope you guys enjoy. I don't have any of the Fenty Beauty products, to be honest. I use the Fenty foundation today, but that's literally all I have for real. And I have one of her little highlighter palettes, but I didn't use it today because it just didn't go with the look. So if you want to see like what other products you can use to achieve this look, then just keep watching.
Hello. Today we're going to be doing a chill out look, really icy and celebratory, ready for the holidays using our new holiday collection. So I hope you enjoy it. I'm going to try to make it as easy and simple as possible for all. It looks like I've actually made it in all of these different colors. So as you can see, I've already dug into a couple of them because they're so good you just want to touch them. I'm going to show you how to do a look with a few of these colors. I'm just going to choose whatever I want.
Okay, that's how it's pretty.
You can use it on your eyes, you can use it on your body. There's so many different ways. It's such a flexible product, and with all these colors and getting them all together, usually you only get one or two, depending on if it's a single or a duo, but you get all of these colors and all of these options for all different shades and skin tones, and it's just nice to play. So I'm going to show you how to do some stuff tonight. Okay? Now I'm going to start with a little bit of this really sheer, really icy, but really cool.
Okay, so I cannot afford the Fenty Beauty right now, so I'm going to take similar products that I already have. So that one kind of looks very similar to like the Becca. This is the Shimmering Skin Perfector Pressed in Prismatic and Plastic. I'm not sure how to say that, but it's like this. So yeah, I think this is a very similar color.
There's a blue and silver, warm, nudie, blushy, like all together. I like how it looks on your lid. Oh my god, look at that. I know you like.
Ah, okay, wait, let me catch up. Okay, so like she just takes like a regular brush. I mean like a regular, what is this called? A regular like flat definer brush, I guess. She just sweeps it over. Like kind of like a cut crease look. Hold up. This kind of don't look like the color. Well, I'm gonna have to work with it.
Okay, because I love it. It's not too much drama, but it's still drama. Even mascara's not drama. Voila. Okay,
She's so goofy. Wait! She's so goofy. Rihanna has such a nice personality. Does it look good? Does it look like her? Okay.
The corners of my eyes, the inner corners, you can light up with chills.
That's like a white. Okay. It's like a white color. Let's see. Do I have anything white? Okay, I'm going to go into the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette, and I'm going to take the color, I think it's called White Peach. Please focus, yeah. I think it's called White Peach. It's the one all the way over to my right. So like over here at the top right corner. And yeah, I'm going to just put that in my inner corner and like Riri.
So next I'm going to
whoa, she goes so quick. Okay.
Into the outer corners of my eyes. Sub-Zero. It looks pretty scary, but I'll show you how to use this.
So that's cute. Okay, wait. It looks like she already has like brown in her crease. So I'm about to put some brown in my crease. Like, hold up. She didn't tell us all that. So I'm going to take Summer Yum in this palette. And I'm going to put that all over my crease. I wish I would have seen that before. But it just looks like she has like a basic brown. I barely use this palette, so I'm finally getting some use for it. It smells so good. It smells so good. I wish I could afford the Rihanna one, but I can't. Broke college student. I'm really liking it so far. Like I would never think to pair these things together, but it looks really nice. Okay, let me keep going.
Use it on the eyes, and then use it on the cheeks if you wanted to do like a bit of drama. You can use it on the outside. It depends on what look you're going for.
Oh, that's the like. It's kind of like a bluish, purplish. So I'm going to take this purple like color in the Sweet Peach palette. And I'm going to do what she's doing. I don't know exactly what she's about to do yet. But yeah, she's just dipping into it.
Get into that a little bit. And then I'm going to go on the outskirts.
Just going right.
Definition. It has like a nice blue and purple combination. So it works really, really nicely with whatever color you put in it. You can have this over mid-tone. You can go navy. You can go blue. Right now I'm going icy. Usually on the outside of my eyes when I want to create a little bit of definition, I go down in a slant like that
Yeah.
That's when I first started. You can't go wrong with that. Because after that, you can shape it from the bottom, shape it from the top. And then I usually go into my crease. I like to create my outlines, so like a color look.
Okay,
then
girl.
I can go into the middle to give a little bit of definition.
Okay.
Alright. So now that I'm done with the product,
Hold up. Oh my goodness. Like, woo. Girl, I'm trying to catch up with you. I messed it up. So, like, why is it not working? Hey, I think I got it. Yeah.
It's coming together, isn't it? After this, we want to do a little bit underneath. So I'm going to go to the dark first to try to mirror that. I like to do this at an angle.
Okay. Just going there with the dark one. Okay.
Because then it creates a pocket for you to have a highlight right there. Okay, so we're almost to the end of this look. And I call it a holiday look because it can go into your Christmas look, it can go into a winter look, because it's icy, it's frozen, it's also really sparkly and beautiful and celebratory. So now I'm gonna get to the cheek where I...
Oh, wait, hold on, girl. Hold up. I just put that same dark shade underneath, and then she has some, but I'm not sure if she showed the step. Like, she has some like the purple, the light purple, right there, like right above, kind of almost in like her waterline. And then she has the like white peach shade, like even more like dragged down. Do I look like her yet?
No.
Okay.
Scandalize. Scandalize. As close as all these look, they have such a different layout. So you use this one on the highlight of the cheek, right there, the high of the cheekbone.
Okay, so she's just going in and applying like a highlighter. She uses such a... Her brush choice is so weird. Like, I don't know, they're so like angled and flat. So I'm gonna try to mimic that. I'm gonna use this brush. I don't even know. I haven't used it in such a long time.
I use it even a little bit on the cheek itself because it has a nice, really pink, soft, icy payoff. It's really beautiful. It's really surprising. It's one of those colors that you just never know what it's gonna look like until you actually like put it on. Some people like to get a little bit more experimental. You can go onto the ears, do a little bit of shimmer, and if you have a ponytail and you just want to get that life, chillowt. It's also flexible enough for the body, so you can go down to your collarbone and play there as well. Today I will go into the sheer, which is called Stone Cold. I use that on my eyelids right here. It's really beautiful, right? And you can just get that collarbone right there.
That's cute.
So these materials, which I think are really cool, snow days and snow nights, are...
Great. Let's do the other side. Ooh, this is cute. Like, I would never think to do this, especially not on myself because how dark I am. But this is cute, actually, like coming together. And she also looks like she has on blush, which she didn't show. So I'm going to try to use the same Summer Yum shade that I put in my crease and try to do this blush. I don't usually do blush, but I'm going to try. I'm going to take this little brush, kind of the same like concept of the other one. Just like an angle brush. Oops, dipped into the wrong shade. And try to... Is it working? Yeah, I think so. I don't know. I don't ever do blush, so and it's hard to get like this as an eyeshadow. Can you tell the difference? I think so. Just a little bit. Okay.
I love the packaging for sure because it's a little cigarette box. It's really cool. You open it, it's just the lipsticks. Like,
She has on mascara. Hold on, Rihanna. She doesn't tell us what she's doing. So now I have to put on some mascara. Hers is so light. Her look is so light. I want to add lashes, but I know like that's cheating. Oh, it's like one little lash still hanging off. Don't mind that one. It's just from my like DIY lash extensions. But yeah, I need to do them again. But I just like they get irritating sometimes when you sleep. So like I just be like messing with it. I'm gonna do my bottom. You guys like enjoy this like little setup that I have. It's like a struggle in my college room. I try to like mimic as much as possible.
So already like the icy fan, I'm going to use no chill.
Yeah, I don't have anything close to that. Oh my goodness. It's gonna be a struggle. It's like a dark purpley. Ah, come on. I have nothing close to that. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Okay, the closest thing I could find is this Kat Von D liquid lipstick. Ugh, what is this on it? This Kat Von D liquid lipstick, and this is in Echo. So I'm gonna use that. And hers is like, this is matte, but oh, it's so pigmented. Hers is not like this. This one is like a blue, and hers is more like a purple. So I'm gonna use a highlighter that I've been using from Becca and apply it all over the lips. Okay, now I'm just gonna go in with the Becca, just tap it on my fingers and like. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. Let's see.
So you can see there's a beautiful metallic finish on these colors. A lot of pigment, it's still really sheer, so it's really flexible and works with it.
Mine looks a little crazy, so I'm gonna just like try to dab some off because hers is pretty sheer.
Look how pretty that looks. So we just finished the chill out holiday look using Kilowatt and our new icy lipsticks. I hope you enjoyed it. I can't wait to see you do your versions of our holiday look. Follow me at FentyBeauty because I have even more secrets.
Woo! Do y'all like it? Everything? I like everything, but okay, the lips in person looks way better. Okay, guys, that's it for this video. I hope you really liked it. I really enjoyed doing this video. It's something very, very different. It's not what I usually do. I really do like the look. I like everything really but the lips, but like that color is really hard to mimic. So yeah, like I really do like it. Like I would never guess. Do I look like Rihanna? Tell me. Try to do the chains. Don't write my ratchet nails, they look really bad. But and I try to do the little hair, you know, saying I don't have a tattoo, but yeah, I really try to do everything. Woo, woo. I'm very proud of myself. So if you guys are proud of me, please like the video, comment down below what you think, and subscribe for more of me. And I really appreciate it. So yeah, see you guys next time. Bye.